We're going to make a Christmas card today, like this one, with a Christmas tree on it. This is using sequins waste. Sequins waste is what's left over when they cut out the sequins for decorating clothing and things like that. It comes in all sorts of different colours, just all these little ones. But instead of wasting the rest of it, you sell it by the yard. You can see that?
Yes, yeah.
All these little holes. But we're going to make Christmas trees out of it today. I think you've got one cut out already.
I have one ready to go.
I have some red here. And it's already been cut from one diagonal. And I'm just going to go down there and cut the other side.
And you just follow the lines.
Yeah, just follow the line.
Yes,
It's really simple to get a triangle out of it. And it's got one edge that's a little bit stronger than the others, a little bit fatter, if you like, straighter. So just put that downwards when you're placing it on the card.
Okay. Now,
we're going to need to do a bit of gluing. I'm going to get something to glue on. So you turn that, I was going to say upside down, but it's not really a front and a back on it. Now, you need to cover the whole lot, but if you press too hard, because it's quite sharp, it goes through and it comes out in the front. And you don't really want that. So fairly light pressure, but make sure you just get everywhere.
Cover the whole.
If you press too hard now, you're going to make an awful mess, and it will show.
Okay.
All right.
I will try
You
that.
kind of have to peel it off then, like that. Okay, and then place it where you want it on the card. Always place your motif on the right-hand side of a card. Now I'm going to just use that for pressing on so that I don't get glue in my fingers. That's it. That seems to be quite well stuck. Alright, now we're going to make a stem for it, just a little base for it. You were going to use felt.
I'll use that.
Yeah,
put a little bit
it's just
out
brown felt, and Sheila's going to cut a piece out of that. I'm going to use some coloured paper. Let's see what we'll go with that one. The pink, blue. I think I'll use the stripy one.
That'll be a lovely
quite
one.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, get my scissors. I'm just going to cut a little square for the bottom. It could be the bucket that is sitting in your sitting room. Just going to fold it over like that and make it slightly more bucket shaped. See that? That looks fine. So it's the same glue again. Just glue the back of it and stick it on. Now it's still a little bit bare. What are you going to put on yours?
I'm going to use these markers here to
you colour into the holes.
Into the holes.
Yeah,
make
great.
it look like baubles on my tray.
I'm going to get some glue actually, and I have stars here. I have bigger stars and very tiny stars. They're a little bit hard to pick up sometimes. And I'm going to put a few little tiny dots around the top, like that, 5 there. And just place a star on top of each one. Press it down a bit. It's easier to put it where you want it. Put the glue on the card where you're going to stick it rather than put it on the star and then try and place it in the right place. That's them. You can see little bits of white glue there, but that will dry clear. I'm going to put a few little bits in here in between.
This is a handy way to using the markers for the
little
bit of colour on the tray.
Yeah. So you can pick these ones up. They're so tiny, and I'm just going to place them in on top of the glue in the holes.
Now I'll go with the orange.
It's just coming up on my finger. It's quite handy. Just place them in the hole. See that? Oh, that looks nice.
What do you think?
Yeah, great. And you could fill every hole if you wanted to, or just a few. I'm just going to fill some of them.
Now I'm going to put a few little presents underneath my Christmas tree.
Right. Do you think Santa's coming to you this year?
Absolutely. Well, he comes every year. So,
does he?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Right. Now I have a few stars in there. I think that's enough for now. Out of the way. Now I'm going to sort of anchor the tree. I have a gold pen here. I'm going to pretend this is sitting in a snowdrift. So just draw a line like that. even that simple line makes it look as if it's standing somewhere
does, yeah.
rather than just floating in thin air. Yeah, that's probably it. Maybe I'm just going to write season's greetings at the bottom of it.
I just want another little present down here as well.
Just fit.
Very good.
Yeah.
These are handy because they're self-sealing.
All right.
That's a big present. That's mine.
Yeah, that's great. And yours is quite low down on the sheet, so are you putting something else on?
A star at the top of it anyway.
Okay.
A little tiny bit of glue.
A little bit of glue,
please. Right.
Okay. And then you could keep on just decorating and putting lots of stuff on. So that's mine.
I'm just going to write
all done.
Happy Christmas on mine up
very
here.
good.
Just to make it look really nice.
Yeah. Okay. So a handmade Christmas card.
Fold it over.
Yeah. If you don't have these ready-made cards with the fold already in them, just any card paper, fold it on the double. If it's too big, cut it in half and fold it on the double. Alright? Christmas cards.